this video is now just a quick video to show you the int function and how it is used and where it is used. Okay, so in our previous video we were doing the question is an input of what is your name. Now our question is going to be input how old are you. Okay, so if we just run this, then it's going to show, let's say 12, and then no. Okay, but sometimes people can make a mistake and say I am 12 years old. Okay, but we want only them to put a number in, and if they don't put that in, then your program, like say now you want to make a program where you have to add their age to a certain number, then it won't work that good. Okay, so I'll quickly show you an example of, instead of putting an int function, just using an input, and then you have to add his age to something, then it won't work. So what this program does that I have quickly made is it asks what year were you born in, and then it takes your year and then it minuses it or subtracts it from the year which is it now, so it's 2016, and then it shows how old you are. Now this is just a normal input, as you can see right there. It's just an input, so let's quickly run it and then see what it does. Okay, so it asks what year were you born in. Let's say you were born in 2003. That would make you, I think, okay, I'm not sure, but we can test it now. Okay, so if we press enter, then it's going to give this error, and then you might not understand, but it says int. It can't, well, basically what this is, it can't take a string, which is a number, because here a string is just like a sentence or a word or something, and an int, which is a short for integer, it can't make a string into an integer, so it can't convert it. So that is why we are now just going to rewrite this program into a proper functioning working program. Okay, so let's quickly just I want to show you how to take this out without deleting it. So what you do is you just press 3 times the I think it's an apostrophe, so it has that 3 apostrophes, and then as you can see this whole part turned green, and when we want to end it at the bottom we just put another 3. Okay, so that's now the program is not going to see that as any code, it's just like a normal comment, which means it won't be part of your program. Okay, so let's start. So first we're going to start with question again. I think I spelled it right. Yes, question is, and then this is where it starts. So we're going to say int, and then a parenthesis, and then input, and then again a parenthesis. So we are like adding the int function to the input. Okay, and then in the second one we just start off, we ask again what year were you born in. Okay, and now instead of just putting 1, as you can see here are two parentheses. So it's like maths, what you do on the one side here you have to do on the other side. So we just put 2 here to end it off, and 2 here to start it, and then 2 here to end it off. Okay, and then we just go on. We say we make a new variable, which is going to be age, and then this is just like a basic subtraction thing. Okay, so what we are now going to put in is the year which it is now. So if you watch this video next year, 2017, you're going to put 2017 there, but it is now 2016, like that. And then we say minus, and then question, because they're going to ask what year were you born in, and that's going to be a number. And to work it out, you are just going to say question. Okay, so that's basically just going to subtract it, and it's going to give you a number, and all we have to do is just to print his age, and we're not going to put you are that years old right now, we're just going to print the age, just like that. Okay, so let's quickly go through it again. Question is an int, so it must be an integer, and is an input, and the input is what year were you born in, and then here we say the year which it is now minus or subtracted from the year the user was born in, and then it just prints the age. So let's run this. It's going to ask which year were you born in, so let's take again 2003, and then it's going to say 13. So if you were born in 2003, you are now this year you are going to be 13 years old. Okay, and then this can work with any number, so you're going to say 1999, and it's going to be 17. Okay, and then you can also use this to predict the age of people in 2020. So let's just take that, and then let's say you were born again in 2003, you're going to be 17 at 2020. Okay, so thanks for watching, and then this was just the first int video, and for my next video is going to be the if statement for using ifs, and I'll explain it everything in the next video. Okay, so then I'll see you guys there.